everyone, I'm Felicia Adedoyin. This is my channel, Adedoyin Kitchen and More. Today I'll be showing you how I make fast egg stew that is not up to 10 minutes. You can use it to eat rice, bread, yam, and anything of your choice. Follow me to my kitchen and I'll show you how everything is done. Thank you. These are the ingredients I'll be using for the egg stew. I have my seasoning here, my salt and the pepper, and you can use any of your choice. I have oil and then tomato that I've already blended, and 3 eggs. What is missing here? There is one thing that is missing here is onions. Do you know why I did not put onions here? It's because I've put in onions in the tomatoes. I've already mixed it together. So you don't need your oil to be fried. Just put it like this, and then it will cook from the down. Gradually you stir it. community. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.